Hello everyone. New Year's is just around the corner and I am sure that you guys are just as excited as I am. I love a fresh start and I feel like we really need one right now. Every year I like to do a few things to prepare and set myself up for a great new year. Here are 5 things you should do to prepare for 2021. You can do them in any order and take as long as you want with them. You can turn this into a week-long or a day-long prep. It's really up to you. Number 1, begin by decluttering, cleaning, and organizing all the physical stuff in your life. Obviously, start with the visible clutter. Then consider going through messy drawers and cabinets. I highly recommend decluttering your makeup and clothing. If anything is expired, throw it away. Donate clothes or jewelry that no longer spark joy. And finish off with giving everything a wipe down and a good mopping. Come into the new year with a clean space. Get rid of all the old energy. Number 2, technology is such a big part of our lives, so we need to declutter it too. Having a clear digital space will help clear your head. Begin by clearing your desktop. Go through your emails and either read them or put them in the trash. Let's be real, if you haven't read it in 2 weeks, it probably isn't relevant anymore. Just mass clear it all. I promise you won't miss it. For the more relevant emails, keep only the ones that you need. If you want to get a little crazy, sort them into different labels, and I highly recommend unroll.me for unsubscribing from mailing lists. Of course, uninstall any programs that you don't use. And let's not forget your phone. Consider turning off notifications that have been bothering you. Organize your home screen or even make it look aesthetic. Delete apps that you never use. And consider downloading some that might help you with your 2021 goals. And most importantly, do a social media declutter, meaning go ahead and unfollow or mute accounts who have been bothering you. I personally love the mute button because you can choose to mute stories or posts or both. And the best part, they don't know you did it. You will still be following each other, but their stuff just won't pop up on your feed. Number 3, finish all of the little tasks you've been putting off. So return any items that you've been meaning to. If you owe a friend money, pay them back now. Renew your driver's license, complete your FAFSA, call and set up a doctor's appointment that you've been putting off. All of these little tasks that you've been putting off, do them now. You don't want to enter the new year procrastinating. Number 4, the part everyone loves on New Year's. Set goals and resolutions. There are so many ways you can approach this. I don't have time to make a separate video, so I'll link some of my favorites in the description. These are the people that I watch to prepare myself for the new year. But take this time to sit down and write your goals. Put on some relaxing music, light a candle, and enjoy the process. You can set one big goal, several small ones, make a general vision board. The possibilities are endless. Find something that works for you. And take this time to reflect on the year you had. Learn from your mistakes, review, and be proud of your accomplishments. You need to think about the past to create a successful future. But, don't dwell on the past. Just reflect and move on. Number 5, after all your hard work prepping, take a self-care day, or night, or just an hour. Light a candle, take a bath or shower, use that nice lotion, put on a face mask, paint your nails, eat something that you love, and take time to watch a movie or do a relaxing hobby away from your phone and social media. If possible, don't do any work or school for a whole day. Self-care is different for everyone, so do whatever you need. I hope these ideas were helpful to you. Remember, pick and choose whatever you think is valuable. Take as little or as much time on each step as you'd like. And I'll see you next year. Bye!